They're just normal humans.
Yeah.
But then when you watch them on a stage like Filipino
They're
Arena, it's like,
insane.
what? Are you human? Like,
Yeah.
we worked with you? Like, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Since my show is called Once and Always a Fanboy, what's something you've been totally fangirling over lately? Could be a song, a show, a movie, even a food craving that's taken over your life recently.
I think we can all agree that the Simula Tukas concert, we recently went together.
Yes.
And it was crazy. It was insane. As in, like, we were feeling like real fans.
Yeah. We've been a real fan ako since 2019. I was high school pa.
Yeah.
Napanood ko sa Twitter, sa X, yung nag-viral nila na video na Go Up. Tapos parang ako, wow, grabe, ang linis, ang sabay. Tapos doon ako nag-dig deep sa SB19. Nagkaroon ako ng bias. Lahat sila nagustuhan ko. Tapos na-feel ko bumalik si 2019 Althea. Nung pinanood namin yung Saw concert na parang, eto talaga yun. Eto yung Kings of P-pop.
I swear. So, yung nagka-PCD ako, pumunta talaga ako dun sa, di ba meron din sila sa, sa exhibition, nandun yung Simula Wakas experience. As in, I had to relive that feeling again. Kasi sila talaga yung reason kung bakit ako nasa girl group. So, Kuya SB Natsing.
They're just normal humans.
Yeah.
But then when you watch them on a stage like Filipino
They're
Arena, it's like,
insane.
what? Are you human? Like,
Yeah.
we worked with you? Like,
Na
oh my
nandun
gosh.
sila talaga.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yung respeto namin talaga kakaiba sa kanila. Kasi when we worked with them, walang bahid ng hangin. They were so humble. They were, actually, nung time na yun na parang magkakasama kami, I would ask how to produce, ganyan, kila Kuya Ken, Kuya Pao. Tapos, yung willingness nila to help the community and actually the whole Philippines in terms of tourism, kita mo yun sa works nila eh. And yun yung mas umangat talaga yung respect and yung pagka-idol namin sa kanila. It's more than just being fans. The respect that they gain. Parang, wow.
Sure.